How to verify GrabPay Wallet. So if you want to verify GrabPay Wallet, then first you just need to open up your GrabPay application. Once you open your GrabPay, now you just need to go for the bottom middle of your screen, which has that payment option. Tap on payment, and under payment here you will have activate your GrabPay wallet. So if you want to verify and activate, simply tap on the activate option and it will take you to the verify page, where you just need to tap on let's go and you need to enter your full name. So enter your name as in your MyCat or passport. Tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right, and here you just need to choose your identity document. So choose MyCat. If you choose MyCat, then you need to enter your MyCat number, or if you choose passport, then you just need to enter your passport number. So choose anything that you are comfortable with, and once you've entered, tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you've submitted, it will take you to the next step where you can add a card. So make sure to add a card, and once you've added the card, your GrabPay wallet will be verified. So that's how you can verify, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.